Planting your feet on the ground. Noticing what parts of your body is touching the ground underneath you, the seat. Allowing the shoulders to relax away from the ears. Allowing the face to soften. The jaw relax, the shoulders, the belly, the legs, all the way down to your toes. Taking a few deep breaths. Begin to listen to the sounds around you. So feel the wind against my skin, the sound of birds, the wind, the rustling of leaves. Even the sound of cars driving from a distance. Listening to sounds without judgment. Noticing your tendency to move towards and away from sound. Can you allow all the sounds in your field of awareness? Feeling your body being breathed as you take a deep breath in and out through the nose. Taking a deep breath in, exhaling through the mouth, emptying all the air out. Take a deep breath in, exhaling out, observing the breath if there's any tightness. Just send your loving awareness to that part of your body that feels tight. Maybe place a hand on that space. And as you're ready, just allow your eyes to open. Gazing at a color that pleases you. I see greens and white as snow. Have a wonderful rest of your day.